In this training video, we will be going over programming your work stoppage form. So this is where you name your form, which will go in your side menu. So we put work stoppage, and again, you can change this name to whatever you want. The flexibility is all yours. And then you could input the name for the form title right here. So this would go at the top of your form. This is your toolbar where you can change all this text. You have tokens that you can use that could be implemented into your statement here, or you could use what we call statements over here, and then you could put an input field if you needed it. Once again, that's all available for you. And you could also add a note box with this checkbox if you wanted to have a note box at the bottom of the form. If you wanted to revert back to your old statement, you weren't happy with the new one you created, you could simply click on this. And once the programming's done, you would go back to your project, and this is where it would appear, work stoppage, in this whole side panel here. This is your whole dashboard, side dashboard. So everything shows up as you programmed it. Again, if you want to change this name, you can do that. You want to change all the text, you can do that as well. Lots and lots of flexibility. To your success, and thank you for watching.